Hello guys, long time no see. I will explain, don't worry, just give me a second. But if you follow this channel for some time already and you find my content relevant, you might find this video interesting. Otherwise, go watch some of my older videos that are gonna be more interesting than this one. This video is just for those in the community who have been supporting this community, supporting these videos for a long time, or that find my content very interesting. So the reason for this video is because we have reached 100,000 subscribers, which is great. It's amazing. Thank you so much. It's thanks to you guys that have done this content. That your support, even just views and comments, help the channel grow a lot. But I feel like really fortunate to having started this project a long time ago. Actually, this channel started after this other channel. So this plaque here is for 100,000 subscribers in Joyplanes RC Spanish. So it's another channel that I started before, and then I started this channel, and then today it's 100,000 subscribers finally. So great, I'll have another one of these soon. That's pretty cool. But yeah, so lately I haven't uploaded many videos, and that's because I've been changing my interests and my priorities, and I have some other projects in mind. So I've been working on other things. I also started a new job, so I'm doing other things at the same time. So I started to focus on other projects that are, for me, they seem more important than doing videos in this channel. But I can, maybe some of you might be interested in that. I'll leave a link in the description below. We'll start a new channel. I'll start a new project. I'll explain everything later when things are finished and ready to publish and to go live. But for now, I just leave the link in the description below for that new channel. You can start subscribing to that channel. It's going to be something about life. It's not going to be about airplanes, mechanics, or anything like that, or explainer videos. Well, it's going to be something like explainer videos, but it's different kind of topic. So if you're interested, I'll leave the link in the description below again, and you will find out more information. Of course, I will still keep publishing videos in this channel, but it won't be as often as before because I'm really busy doing my other projects. But still, I'm not gonna abandon this YouTube forever. At some point I might in a few years time, but not for now, because I still love flying RC airplanes, things like that. But yeah, these new projects that I've been working on are really interesting to me. They keep driving me forward, so I'm really excited about them. It would be cool if you could support me on those new projects. But of course, these new projects won't be for everyone. I would understand that completely. But things are changing in the world, so yeah, we have to keep up with it. So yeah, I hope you have enjoyed so far, being part of Joyplanes RC. I'll keep doing content from time to time, as I said, so don't unsubscribe yet. But yeah, it's been really amazing, this journey with you guys and all the support you have given to Joyplanes RC in English and also in Spanish, if you are from that channel as well. So thank you so much, and I'll see you next time with more stuff.